Hello friends, hello everyone. My name is Aishwarya and welcome to my YouTube channel Statistics by Reason. So today we'll be learning about the nested for loop in Python. So here I have opened my Jupyter notebook. I will explain you how it works. It is very simple. Okay. So let me define you two sets. Suppose A equal to 1, 2, 3. And again B equal to suppose 11, 12, 13. I will just run it. For running, as you all might be knowing, I will just repeat it. For running, you can use the shortcut Control Enter. So now for adding the new line, Shift Enter. So now we will define our for loop for I in A. So I is the particular variable present in that list. So for I in A, again for J in B. So the individual variables, I have defined it as I. So the individual variables inside B as J. In print I, there is I will just do it something like that. And J. Press Control Enter. Now you can see how it works. So for every element in A, it is mapping to B. So now suppose 1 to 11, 1 to 12, 1 to 13. So every element present in this A, it is mapping to each and every element present in the B. So 1 to 11, 1 to 12, 1 to 13. Again 2 to 11, 2 to 12, 2 to 13. Again 3 to 11, 3 to 12, 3 to 12. So this was all about the nested for loop. So for more examples, I will bring up new videos based on new examples based on this concept. Till then, bye-bye.